Hi, it's Kel coming on to do finalize-ish my August budget. I started out writing pay. I'm not sure. There was talk earlier this year that we might only get paid once in August, maybe twice, rather than the three we should, just because of the way the checks work out. So I wrote in like I would get paid twice, not three times. Um, and then I have my reimbursement here. So I'm expecting $2,661.34. I already have the first check of the month, obviously. Rounded my mortgage to $1,054. My phone is projected to be 20 because it's 45, and then with Netflix and Pandora coming off, max it down to 20. However, I am over, so I actually won't be paying on that this month. Car insurance is 123 and some change, so I rounded that to 124. Union, I don't pay in August. I don't pay it in July and August. Pandora it's technically $17.99, but I just rounded to 9. Hulu and Disney is $20.98, I rounded to 20. Internet is $59.99, so I rounded to 60. Natural gas. These are the two that are more variable than the rest of these. So this one, I am rounding it to $24 this month. I already know that it is $23.14. And electric, water, and trash I'm rounding it to 84, but I know it's $83.64. So for a total of my fixed expenses, my bills of $1,396. So 1396 266134. Okay. This is going to look different than the last couple months. I knocked down a couple categories, and I'm going to try and stay closer to this. And then off to the side, I have my rollover. So this is going to be my roll. And I'm going to write this in purple this month. So with the roll, I'm expecting $150 for gas. Food, I'm not rolling over anything in coffee, so that's just going to be 20. Groceries, I am rolling over 80, so that'll be 290. Already spent 45 of that. Restaurants, I am not rolling over anything, so that'll be 220. Health, I am rolling over 10. Oops, I'm rolling over 10, so it'll be 30. Home, I am rolling over 20, so that'll be 40. Personal, I am not rolling over anything. Clothing, I am not rolling over anything. Hobbies, I am not rolling over anything. So 40. Sorry for the bumping. 25 and 25. Everything else, I am not rolling over anything, so that'll be 300. And yes, I did finally dig out a calculator, so I have 150 plus 20 plus 290. Whoa. 150 plus 20 plus 290 plus 220 plus 30 plus 40 plus 40 plus 25 plus 25 plus 300 gives me 1,140, which means I'm actually rolling over 980, $160. So, but I just write that one, so that is expenses. I'm expecting 980. House, I'm only going to try and pull in 200 this month. So sinking funds, I'm going to do 200. Savings, I don't do anything. Student loan is 153. So if I take 2661.34 minus 1396 minus 980 equals minus 153. Leaves me with 132.34. So actually I'm not going to write anything in sinking funds. So, because I'm not, so that leaves me with 132.34 as a buffer for the month. I know what I got in interest already. And I know what I got paid for the first check. So I know that these numbers are actually going to be higher. So this will end up being closer to 175 maybe, as long as I get paid twice. I didn't write anything, so sinking funds, we'll see if I pull anything from the house. I'm pretty set on most things for at least a little bit. There is a storage ottoman I want to buy, but I'm going to wait to buy any more furniture until the back room is finished. So I'll probably check in with you in a couple weeks. I know last month I didn't end up doing that, and I don't know if I'm going to do it this month or not. I can tell you what I spent already this month. I can go ahead and write that down. I have it scribbled off to the side. Cheat sheet. So on the 2nd, yes. So 8, right? Yesterday would have been on the 3rd. 8/3, I went to the farmer's market. And I spent groceries. I spent $38 there. I got blueberries, tomatoes, squash, potatoes, a lemonade, an energy bar, like a granola bar, and a hummingbird cake. So that's that. Then also on that day I went out for lunch because the farmer's market I go to is about 45 minutes away, just because it's bigger and I like the selection, and then I kind of make a day of it. So I went to lunch, and that was restaurants. Got myself taco soup, a French dip, and a spiked milkshake. So $27.32. And that was it for that day. Then yesterday I had to go to Meijer's. So that was the pharmacy. So that is health. And that was $24.99. I also got gas. I had $1 off due to Empress Rewards. And so that ended up being $34.10. And while I was there, I also picked up some groceries. So that's groceries, and that was 45 something. I'll look at my receipt in a minute. So that's what I spent so far. I'm not planning on going anywhere for the next couple days. I need one more thing for a recipe I want to cook, but beyond that, I'm going to kind of stay home and chill. So have a good day. Enjoy.